Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today we are continue our journey in a must-try AI tools in Canva. Here in a part 34, I will show you the Gen logo. As the name is pretty straightforward, with this application we can create logos with AI effortlessly. As you can see, this application can create a very nice basic logos. So you just have to jump on it and check how this AI, how this application works. Sorry. So first, as usual, we check the app marketplace in the Canva. So this is the Gen logo. These are unique logos effortlessly with AI. Was developed by the Digimate. So well done, guys. This is also a pretty nice application. So this is also highly recommended. So thank you very much for your efforts. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep create content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So just closing this page and go into the apps section, type Gen logo. This is the application. And we already have some prompts, which is also time to time good to try. We can change the aspect ratio, but mostly for logo, the best one is the 1:1. So it's a square, or that will be fit on a square. And now just try an example. Fluffy white bunny in overalls holding a giant sunflower and standing in a field of glowing colorful flowers. Okay, generate. This is how easy this application is works. Just click on the generate. Of course, this one is maybe not a best prompt what I can use for logo generation. I just try what the system gives me, but the next one will be a bit more powerful prompt for really logo generation. But now first I just would like to try it. As you can see, this is not even a real logo. So that's a nice, that's more like a image generation. Start again. Logo with bulldog face. I can type in a round shape, black and white. Holds a screwdriver and generate. So that's, if you have more details, you can have the image is closer to what you want. But it's actually, this is true for all AI image generation software. If you just have a generic prompt, you will have something which is, yeah, it's more or less what you want. But if you're more specific, have more details, like here, okay, I was a bit stupid due to ask a bulldog face and holding a screwdriver. I don't know why we have this text. Start again. So I just delete this due to have a bulldog face. So in this case, the bulldog the face cannot hold the screwdriver. And it's easy, just if you're coming back, you just create a new one. That's like under their applications. But one thing, this application is free, but we have daily tokens. It's nowhere mentioned how much we have. I think it's 4 or 5 the tokens, 4 or 5 logos what we can generate only with this application per day. Nowhere counts, I think. I never saw it. And I didn't see also a button to buy additional. Yes, I didn't see any additional there's a part where we can buy additional credits. Sorry. So this one is pretty nice. And if I just click background remover, so this is more like, yeah. But actually the system does what we ask for it. If I ask one more, as you can see, the system generates one more. Just have to wait until the logo or actual image is generated. And then we can use it. Just have to add into the design when it's done. The next one, I think we'll try something else. If it's generated, this will be my fourth one. Is it different at all, or oh no? Yeah, I have to learn this. Not click on the image to add to the design. There is a dedicated button. If I just would like to see any, yeah, it's pretty different. That's also cool. So start again, logo with 3 fonts and a crown. Black and white. Shield. Okay, generate. I just let to see it's really generating or not. That's a fifth one. I think that will be the last one for today, but I will see when I try to generate another one after this. So just have to wait until the logo is generated. But this is a, yeah, as you can see, it's a pretty nice logo. I can remove the background from here also with a crown with 3 diamonds and a shield. That's pretty nice. So if I just try to generate again, it's still generating. Wow. Okay, no. You see, you have used up your free creation attempts for today. Please try it tomorrow, right again tomorrow. So as you can see, we can generate 5 logos with this application for free, and actually no button to buy more credits. So this is a limitation. We can create 5 different logos per day, but other than this application is pretty nice. We're creating the logos what we really want. Might be not always like this one with this text. I don't know why the text is on the logo. This one is more like just an image generation. This one was also not the best one, but this one was pretty nice. I really like it. Also, this bird is cool. So this application can create really nice logos for us, helping a lot. So this application is also highly recommended. Thanks for the developers. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if I miss anything or you miss something from the tutorial, or if you're just struggling anything in a Canva. I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description, where you can find another Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text to image generation prompts for different kind of applications. So if you are interested on this area also, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned before, you can find the link in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.